Alright YouTube, so today we will be installing my new exhaust, MBRP race exhaust. But before we get into it, let's give you guys a little cold start. Alright guys, so we were able to get these two out after maybe an hour or two. I had really lost track of time. So now, might as well give you guys a little, a little cold start with the header. Alright, so I just finished putting my exhaust on. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. Alright guys, so I'm gonna ride around for a little bit, see how the car sounds and all of that. I'm gonna add some sound clips in at the end of the video, so if you guys have been watching, I appreciate it.